Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today, the top 9 truths of real estate contract negotiations. Contract negotiations is similar to any other form of negotiations, and all the same rules apply. Now remember, you're not always going to see eye to eye, but negotiations don't have to end up like the story of the bug and the windshield. Sometimes you're the bug, and sometimes you're the windshield. And certainly nobody wants to see a fight.
I want to see him box. Let's get ready to rumble.
Well, this one guy does. In any event, here's the list of my 9 most important features. Every term in a contract is negotiable. Not everyone is going to like this fact, but it's true.
Problem is, we gonna do this or what?
Every item can be used in a real estate contract negotiation. Deposit amount, deposit date, scope of inspections, inspection periods, seller responsibility for repairs, type of deed, everything is negotiable. So don't be afraid to dip your toe in the pool. Number 8, terms dictate price. The better terms you receive as a seller, you probably could be able to offer a little bit of a discount. For example, if you have your house listed for $200,000 and someone comes in at $195,000 all cash and they're going to close in 3 weeks, is this better than somebody offering you $205,000? They're going to close in 90 days, only if their house sells and closes within that 90 days. I'm not going to touch that second offer for nothing. I'm taking the cash because terms dictate price. Their terms are so powerful that I have to accept it. Be a fool not to. Number 7, knowledge is power. For example, how would it be if you did a public record search and found out that the other party was on double secret probation?
And as of this moment, they're on double secret probation.
Double secret probation, sir?
Of course, I'm joking. But what if you found pending lawsuits, judgments against them, or God forbid, even an arrest? Of course, I wouldn't expose my knowledge of this because that would give away my advantage. But I certainly would use it somewhere, somehow. Number 6, always counter something. This is going to help to reduce or completely remove buyer's remorse. Because sometimes if you get what you want, you might end up being disappointed that you didn't get more. I remember some contracts, I had to change something. So I just changed the closing date by a day. Front or back, it didn't matter. I had to change something. Because you have to let the buyer or the seller know, whoever you're negotiating with, that they didn't get it just right. You had to make a little change. So always counter something. Number 5, understand that you won't win them all. This is an important fact, man. I mean, if you're a poker player, you also have to understand you're not going to win them all. That's the same thing in real estate negotiations. But with a little bit of skill, you will win more than your fair share. And hopefully your losses, well, they might not sting as much.
War's over, man. Wormer dropped the big one.
What? Over? Did you say over? Nothing is over until we decide it is. Was it over when the Germans bombed Pearl Harbor? Hell no!
German? Forget it, he's rolling.
It ain't over now. Because when the going gets tough, the tough get going. Who's with me? Let's go! Come on! Ah!
Number 4, insist on sharing price adjustments and shortages. I'm sure you've all seen this. You get to the closing table and the buyer is short. Everyone looks to the broker or the seller to pay the load. But you have to understand something. Everybody at that closing table, everybody that has something to do with the closing, they're all making money. The title company, the insurance company, the mortgage broker. Everybody's making money. Make them pay their fair share. Just because the seller's got a giant bottom line, you don't have to pay it all. Same with the broker. The seller's a little tighter. Maybe you're even making more money on the commission than the seller's making at the net proceeds from the sale. You don't have to be the one to eat it yourself. Share it with everybody else who's making money. Number 3, we're counting down to number 1. Isn't this great? Number 3, find out what's important to the other side. What does the other party deem to be the most important feature or factor? You'll be able to tell because they'll dwell on it a little bit. Is it the price? quick closing, no contingencies. Somewhere the other side has a soft spot and you just have to find it. Number 2, you give something, you get something. Whenever the other party asks for anything, you get something back. For example, let's say the buyer, this is in contract negotiations, wants to close 10 days later than what's being offered on the contract. And if that doesn't bother you, that's good. So you say, okay, I'll tell you what I'll do. We'll close it 10 days later, but you have to give me a larger deposit. You see what I mean? You have to get something if you're getting something. And even though extending the closing date didn't make a difference to you whatsoever, you need to get something back. Get a larger deposit. Get a quicker hard date. Get less responsibility on your inspections. Something. Because they thought it important enough to bring up to extend the closing date, you should get something for that. Before I give you number 1, I'd like to ask you to please, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and the bell buttons, because this is going to allow you to be one of the first that gets notified for any of our new releases. Thank you. And the number 1 feature, here it is, you cannot be afraid to walk away. Successful negotiations begin with your growing a spine. You can't be afraid to walk away, and I got a story for this. I had a plumbing repair that necessitated an insurance claim. The plumber came to the house. My house is a mess. The plumber wanted more than the insurance company was willing to pay. I didn't get emotional, but I told him, that's too much. If you can't do it for the claim amount, I'm not going to give you the job. I'm going to find somebody else. And lo and behold, in a very short period of time, they acquiesced. They said, okay, Mr. Einstein, we'll go ahead and do it for the amount of the claim. So in any event, that's my top 9. And thank you again for tuning in. This is Alfred Einstein signing off from the beautiful Pockets of Specialized Knowledge Studios, saying, have a great week.
Thank you so much for sharing that with us.
You're welcome, miss.